Superintendent of Police ka is Khasi hilba bibex imla pentip balakem rengut kibreu kibadon kti bantu Pisa na ki ATM Kynthup hamau kriya hasmit bar kumju hamlem dangshen arngut kini gibsyakem gidai na Haryana arngut na Assam bat arngut na Shillong kiba syakem ge Kynthup yau John Fisher lengdo wasa umpling nang tau Joyous Dura wasa hamolai nang kwal badai ru Pulit stat barim kiwe bat gwa syakem ge Kynthup yau Salim na mewat Haryana batu rahur na nu district Haryana kat ba angot na Assam Kynthup yau Rajul Korim bat kumju yau Lius Ali yakini henukut lakem hadin ba yo yakisaki sabut kibabyang la ban kedau ba ha ka apoi trik brai basan aja punreu ka ATM hamau kriya ka syatu ha ka do apu pra khat lak khalai haja si sepa tengka nang ta ha kalai pho trik brai khat a aja basan Sekawi ke ATM hasmit ka syatu live san lang san penyo hajar tengka bat dangsian ha ka pratrik brai ba ajar punreu ka ATM na melem ka syatu live san lak tengka
ATM theft were registered in East Khasi district in the recent months. The first one occurred on 21st May 2025, where the ATM which was located at Mokria was robbed, and cash 28 lakhs 13,100 was stolen. Then subsequently on the 30th of December, another ATM at Smith was looted, and cash about 35 lakhs 57,000 was stolen. Then on the 8th of February, the last ATM which was looted was at Milem, and about 35 lakhs was looted from there. The people were professionals. The time which they took for actually stealing from every ATM was roughly about 7 minutes. So highly professional people. We have actually never seen such professional looting of ATMs so far, and this is the first instance where we have seen people actually professionally looting it in such a short span of time. So following the registration, we had registered 3 cases in Maungap, Maranting, and 2 cases in Maungap and 1 in Maranting. And following the investigation by the special cell, on 27th February, a 7-member team led by our DSP operations, Simseng Sangma, was deputed to Haryana Ngut district. And on the 9th of March, the 7-member team started to conduct operations there with the help of the Central Investigation Agency of Ngut district, Haryana, to arrest these people. As a result of these sustained efforts, 2 accused, and these people who are wanted and also involved in many such ATM cases in the country and also in particular in the northeast, namely one Sri Salim, 26 years, of Doraki, Mewat, Haryana, and Sri Rahul, 31 years, of Bazitpur, Nu, who were involved in the crime, and actually the main people who actually were involved in cutting down the ATMs were arrested. And following their arrest and all that, the local operations in Shillong also was conducted, where we arrested 2 people who are the local facilitators, namely John Fisher Lingkhoi, 32 years, resident of Umpling, and Joyous Dora, 47 years, of Molai Nongkwar. Both arrested from Shillong after the operations in Haryana. And for John Fisher and Joyous Dora, we've got 6 days remand, and for Rahul and Salim, we've got a 5-day remand. Following this operation, yes, on the 12th, another team of the special cell headed by DSP Crime left for Assam, and one of the accused, his name is Rijal Karim, 38 years, was arrested from Chakla under Abhaipur PS in Bongao. And last night, another accused, Shri Lius Ali, 28 years, from Boragao, was arrested under Gurchuk PS. So we found incriminating evidence against these people, and of course the investigation hasn't stopped. Investigation is still on, to actually arrest some of the culprits who are absconding. So the East Khasi police is endeavoring that we get all the culprits as soon as possible. Thank you. kata kam ya day ba kata investigation day kay yung ni kwa kani kada take hi ba but ni petang kata ka benta jong ka ATM hi ban ba hi jong no kata kam dan kata terms of reference of investigation
Abasi mo pwede mo kanito hindi na mare ba dan na yung nakilang ki parang employee na kata ki agency balik ka dan na mo ni ka benta ningkong
shop ni la subaya baro hi long ki ba tep Pisa because kani kalalong tebet hadu kata hi ba nong ban sai Pisa tang aport nyom net bat ru ka cukup port bat tep ru ba dan Pisa hanta ti Andre hadu menta hi lap hi kata bakin de ki nong trade ka bank bakin dan keti Andre wala kata gindang docket syakmat ai ban pet dan ti manur dan ne madu dan badan keti nakaliang dan keti nong trade ka bank ne ki ba tep Pisa
so ren kali ke jingwa un ka long ki le yen ki sulu ba na kono kom pile ba ni ba jadi un ka dong ki kono ki le ba sa
kuno kuno
abide ko ni jingwa un ka dong ki le kono ba sa ka buat ki kam yo
em pengalaman ningkong ba kani hi kadi ka jinga tre jong baro hi ki benta jong ka special cell hi ki ba kadi bangila piece pada ngila bolang kini ki evidence ban kasami kin kata ka ngis khusung tho manu badan keti ti bun ki benta jong ka special cell ki bla tre hak ni dan bun ki area se padin la piece kini ki evidence ban salap pada kalau kungo taka ka crime ki commit kumno ka modus operandi kalong kumno ka jinga ki kalong kumno
so kani interstate no but only ki jala ba
kani hatat kani ru kana ngaklen rong phiba kani hoi ngala ngasa ngala patai phiba kani kadi ka ngila yo ban kem ki ru ka jinga rap jong ka Assam police wat Haryana police de ki bela don benta ban yarap ni ban kem hi ki brio shek tu ki jala ban kerpang ya ka Central Investigation Agency jong ka Ngut district but USP jong ka Ngut district lo bala ya yarap shibon ni ban identify ban kem hi kini brio kamni ka basuk ban kem hakani ka jakahi kani ka jaka ka nu kamtam bun ki brio kitap shipang ka mewat hi kadi it's a very criminal prone district ban hakani ka jakahi kamni ka basuk hi ban kem ban natai ka special cell hi like three borba but tishtam but identify but yo ban kem ki brio
what's the action
yes so many states they're involved in fact many states I'm aware that they're involved in Assam, they're involved in Arunachal, they're involved in other states in the country, but I'm very sure that they're involved in Assam and Arunachal also.
So these robbers from Shillong and those from Haryana, how do they know each other?
See, facilitation, the thing is through the people from Assam, and they have actually bridged the two groups.
We can say the operations have been concluded.
No. Operations are still on. In fact, that's why but since the incident in Haryana had come out, and so most of the people, the public had come to know about this incident, including the press fraternity. So we had to give the press briefing today. But operations are still on. In fact, we still have our team in Assam right now. The special cell will still continue its investigation to get more of the culprits in Haryana also. Somewhat. Them long hadum tabla kem somewhat. Beri naba.
One guns and standing there. Was it a mix-up or?
See, they were planning to. What happened is the accused tried to grab the wheels and tried to overturn the car, and thereafter a crowd had come and assembled out there and tried to snatch him away. They also tried to snatch the weapon. The police out there were very restrained. They fired in the air, they fired in the ground. In fact, the bullet which hit the person also is a ricochet bullet. They did it because there was fear for their life, and I think it was very much justified. They act with restraint and responsibility.
But you could effectively manage the accused in the Sonam case when there you could bring them back. What went wrong in this case? You could not bring properly.
Like I said, in fact, I just said that place is a very crime-prone place. The mob was violent, We didn't have in those other cases, interstate cases, we didn't have a violent mob who wanted to lynch or, at the most we had an instance where a person got slapped. But here it's a violent mob which wanted to snatch weapons, wanted to lynch the police. So we had to take precautionary measures.
Just to know about the vehicle, was it from Delhi, Meghalaya police vehicle?
Yes, it is of our Meghalaya police. Was taken from our battalion from Delhi.
How many rounds would the police have? How many rounds?
I think they fired about 17 rounds.
Sir,
Violation for taking a local from the Thana there in Haryana.
Was there any?
So usually it's a protocol, right? When somebody from another state goes to another state, you have to get the help of the Thana. That's how it's usually. But here we don't see. It's only one gypsy that is aware. We don't see anything.
No. This is not. This is post arrest. After arrest, when we go and arrest, yes, we take the help of the local police. We have taken the help of the local police, and this was after production in court. After production in Punhana court, then they were brought back. After production and all that, there's no more arrest. So when we were brought back to know, that time the attack was.
How many more do you expect to have?
We expect many more. So let's see as and when the kabinang rocket shusho in dadon kanu ka sabut na ka indication ba kini dang dan tishu week brio in tang beteng show jing kem jing ni berarti.
Of the banks or what is it?
No, these two people are actually they are local facilitators. They actually have contacted they were contacted by the Assam counterparts and the Assam counterparts by the people from Haryana. So they're the people who identify the ATMs out here. These two people actually have been involved in many other crimes, from drug trafficking to murder to many other forms of criminal activity and all that. So they have a history of crime, and they were the ones actually who rekeyed the place and identified the ATMs to be looted.
So far, how many has been arrested, sir?
So far, we have got 6 people.
altogether, how many potential suspects, sir?
There are still more people. As and when we interrogate and all that, we will get to know more people and all that. Of course, we have some people in our mind and all that. That special cell is yet to nab them. But as investigation, interrogation is in progress and all that, we'll get to know the exact number of people who are actually really involved.
So all of them involved in all the 3 cases?
Yes.
Can you also tell us how you track?
Ang bekitan kipri kimbapan yo ki gas cutting machines ay kitang don berki dia di layo ang sarka kita.
What about cash, sir?
Ka cash tu ngidang pet ya ka trail of cash hadian ki layo nang ni kitan bela lut kila penlut kitan bela sio kiram jengki di ngidang pet ngidang ni nang ni sakmat ngidang pet le si kila bu ki funds shakawi ki chakai la park those funds somewhere else. Ya datang ngidang top pen.
Of the 2 who have been arrested, or the 2 locals, is it true that one of them is a former SOT personnel?
Yes, it is true. One is a former SOT person.
So his name?
Joyous Dura.
So what do we read from here? The people coming from outside, they can do commit crime and go back.
Unless you see people from outside will not be able to commit the crime unless they are facilitated by local facilitators.